Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, lathes, grinders, milling machines, saws, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today what we're going to show you is a really nice machine that we sell not only new, but when we find them used, we purchase them right up, we go through them, make sure everything's running on it, and this is a great example of a used machine in really, really nice condition. We'll start all the way here from the head just to look at this. You can see how clean all these charts are. This was a very lightly used lathe, maybe used for a job or two. You can see we have a nice big gap right here. That gap will come out. You can swing a larger piece. This is a 26120. Take a look. You can see here you have inch and metric dials on both the cross and the compound. There's just not a chip anywhere on this whole cross slide. You can see a big taper attachment back here, our coolant system, tool post. It's got a rapid traverse all four ways on here, really, really nice and smooth. You can see right there, that's the faceplate that you would put in when you pull that gap out. Steady rest, really, really nice heavy duty lathe. Tailstock, got another chuck here that comes with it. Got dual foot brakes. As you can see, running down here, the ways are super, super clean. So you're basically buying a new machine for a used price. That's how this looks. You're getting a warranty on it. We'll show you how this guy runs. Big hole through the center as well. You can see that. Check all the specs on our website. We have our feed screw running right now. We're going to engage our longitudinal feed, which is right here. You'll see that's creeping nice and slow right now. We have that in. And up here on the readout, you'll see that moving as well on the y-axis. We'll bring it into reverse. Now again, you can see our longitudinal feed going the opposite way. Our digital readout working as well right there. You don't see a lot of readouts on really big lathes. Once you get to 100 inch, you won't see them as much, but they put it on this one's really nice. And then as I said, there is rapid. So if you want to get to where you need to be, push the button. You can see how smooth that is. Go back the other way. There's our y-axis. Now we have our cross slide here, x-axis. Again, you can see the inch and metric on there. We have our scale up here, which you could change to either inch or metric if you need to. This has rapid as well. As soon as we hit this button and reverse, you'll see here is our reverse. Makes it really easy to get to your setup, nice and quiet. Really a nice running machine. I'm going to turn this off. We could use our brake. We'll show you that. Stops it right away. We'll start our machine again. We're going to put our threading on. This lathe has letters and numbers for your threading. We'll turn our machine on here. Here you can see our threading mode. Now we have our thread screw running. Last but not least, we can put our threading on. And now we're in threading mode. Really nice machine. We've gone through everything on here, all our feeds, speeds, threads, gears. It's a great running machine. We sell them new as well, so we know the company. We're really happy with them. We'd love to work with you. If this is the kind of machine you're looking for, let us know. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. You can check out financing on our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.